He spotted me. He knows I'm eating something that he likes. Oh boy, that was quick. Hi there. Did you see something? Something you like, huh? You're adorable. I can give you a little bit. Come here. Okay, here you go. Hero loves his bananas. Yum, yum. Happy Sunday, buddy.